Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is another question from the past paper, the second year intermediate accounting students. So be attentive, get ready for your new exam question. I'm your teacher, Ms. Mera Mahmood. We are here for the chapter distribution, profit and loss. Yes, beta, here we have two ways from the net income, whether we can gain profit or whether we can gain loss. So always from the net income, we have two ways, whether your answer can be positive and it can be your negative. Where we get the net income, this is the balance sheet format from which we add this net income. If your net income is loss, then you will be less net loss over here and it will be in a bracket. So I put this balance sheet just to make you aware that from where we get this net income and from like how we are using this net income. So this is your net income, and after getting this net income, you will be distributing this net income among the partners. We have journal entries, and it's have two types, fluctuating and fixed. I would like to discuss these fluctuating and fixed journal entries both in my today's lecture, because I found a few students were asking me that I should repeat this in my videos. So that's why, after getting your few suggestions, I would like to repeat this, that we have fluctuating capital method because our capitals fluctuate from capital at start to capital at end. And why it is fluctuate? Because during the year we have some drawings, we have some interest on capitals, interest on drawings, we distribute some salaries, and we take some commission, we share some profits. So our capital at start is different from the capital at end, so it will fluctuate, it will be changed. If I talk about the fixed capital method, bete, whenever you have watched this like word, like you have seen this word, the fixed capital method, so always keep this thing in mind, that your capitals are fixed, it will not change from the start till end. This is the format you all are well aware. This is the blank format which I asked you people to prepare in your registers of accounting, in which I haven't mentioned any you can say what you can say, no numbers over here, just a blank format, so that you people can fill it up. You must know how to solve it. You must remember the capital should be written at top, then net income, then adjustments, then your conditions are here. These are the two conditions which is mentioned in the question. I proceed towards your exam question number 6. Here I'm talking about the fourth edition of the second year intermediate book Petiwala. Your question partners named as Furqan and Fareed 2001. This is available on your book page number 164. We have this distribution net profit and loss, and if you have some queries regarding third edition, this question, exam question number 6, is Faisal Hassan and Salman practice question. We have done in the previous videos a 1983 question. So if I talk about exam question number 6 of the fourth edition, so we haven't done it. So current video is related to this question for Khan and Fareed, and for Faisal Hassan, you will see my other videos I have uploaded before. We have Furqan and Fareed are partners with capital balances 50,000 and 70,000. So Furqan is having capital 50 and Fareed is having capital 70. Now, what we have to do, we have partnership formations having some adjustments. Furqan is allowed annual salary. It means per year. We should not apply a month over here. It is your yearly salary, 36,000 for Furqan. Then we have Fareed, and Fareed is allowed a commission 60,000. It is also yearly. No need to apply a month. And then we have markup allowed on initial capital. It is your markup which is charged on 10% on your capitals. Markup is your profit, is your interest amount which you are taking from the capital, and that will be your 10% from 50,000 and 10% from 70,000. You have to show the working for this. 50,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100, 70,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100. You have to show the working in the examination. Then we have two conditions, remaining balance for the profit and loss distributed equally. This is your condition, that how you have to distribute your net income. Now, from the point where we have to start our question, the remaining the net income for the year on March 31st, 2001 is 140,000. So this is the main thing from which we have to start our question. Let's come towards the question solution. This is your requirement for the examination. You have to just prepare income distribution summary. No need of requirement general. This is the working which I asked you to show the working in the examination. Like you people need to do for the markup allowed on initial capital. So your markup is on initial capital is 10%. How you have to show this working? 50,000 multiplied by 10 over 100, and you have to show the working like this in your examination. And same like Farid you have to do. This is your main part of the question. They required is name of the partner should be at the top, then write income distribution summary for the period ended 31st March 2001. Okay, then we have particulars for Khan, Farid, and total. We have some capitals 50,000, 70,000, then we have total. Then you have to write net income, and net income should be at the last column. We have salaries, it is yearly salaries, so no need to apply a month on it. We have commission, again I discussed with you, no need to apply a month on it, but you have to show the working. Here I have mentioned the steric, red star over here. It means you have to show the working for this. Then here we have a line, I forgot to put the line. You must put one line and then do your calculations vertically. 36,000 plus 5,000, do your calculation vertically. 41 we have. Then we have 60,000 plus 7,000, put one line over here and do your calculation vertically. We have 67,000. After vertical calculation we should go for the horizontal calculation. 41,000 plus 67,000, we have 108,000. What we can see over here that we have 140,000, then minus 108,000. The amount will be 32,000 plus minus minus. हम minus करेंगे, but the value, but the sign should be of the biggest number, that is your 140. Clear? So I just follow the condition which they have mentioned. The condition is income distribution summary, and that will be equally distribution which is given in the question, and therefore you have to show the working for this also. 32,000 divided by 2, you will give 16,000 to each partner, to Furqan and to Farid. Clear? Then 41,000 plus 16,000, you have 57,000. Then 67,000 plus 16,000, you have 83,000. Clear? Now what you have to do, 57,000 and 83,000. This is your last step. After vertical calculation, you have to do the horizontal calculation. And here in this horizontal calculation, you have your verification part. 57,000 plus 83,000 should be equal to your net income, and your net income is 140. Here I'm moving my cursor. So you have to show your working in the examination. This is your working part. This is your verification part. So after doing the verification, once your 57,000 is equals to, plus 83,000 is equals to 140,000, then you should be confident enough that your answer is correct and you have solved your answer very well. This is the journal entry which is not required, but if I ask you to prepare the journal entry, it will be like this, because we have net profit question, so our capitals will be credited, profit and loss account will be debited. Recap, I would like to do the recap over here. Capitals are given, you have to write it down at the top, because once your capital is given in the question, please write it down in the top and put one line over it. Then annual salary is given, no need to apply a month on it. This is again a very important part. Markup calculation 10%, you have to show working. Working is required, it means you have to show the separate working. Profit and loss distribution condition is equally, yes, we have 32,000, then we divided by 2 over here. You can see 32,000 divided by 2, we have 16,000, 16,000. This is your equally distribution and recap of this question. Hope you like this video, and such videos are really very helpful for you, for your practicing, for your revision, and for your time by time. You can say whenever you want to check your question, or whenever you want to your recap or your wrap up activity, so it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.